Hey guys, here's Rolando, your credit coach, with a quick credit tip. This week I'm talking about, will paying off that collection account help boost your credit score? You check your credit report, you have a few collections. Should you pay them off? And doing so, is that going to help boost your credit score? Not always paying collection accounts will help boost your credit scores. You have to know which ones to pay off. If you have newer collection accounts, meaning you know they went to collections less than 3-4 years ago, that's considered a new collection, right? Especially if it's within the last few months. And that account is actively being reported. If it's being reported, then paying off that account is going to help boost your credit score. If you have an older account or a collection account that is no longer actively being reported, meaning it's just sitting there, then you paying off that collection account can actually lower your credit score. So you have to be very, very careful. Only pay for collection accounts that are newer or that are actively being reported. Rolando, what do I do about the collection accounts that I should not pay off? How do I get them off the credit report? They don't want to give me a deletion letter. How do I get these accounts off my credit report? Because you said not to pay for them, right? That is a tough question. Now, on the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to dispute these accounts to get them off the credit report. Guys, if you have a credit question, you have some collection accounts on your credit report, you're a little bit confused, should you pay for them, should you not? Shoot me your credit report. My email is creditrs@gmail.com. Send me your credit report. I'd love to look at it and let you know which ones I recommend you should pay off. Guys, thank you so much. Hit that like button, hit that share button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.